tongue shape. Okay. You should never consider color of the tongue body as separate from the shape. No? Together, they reflect the strength of the normal qi, which is called our Jiang qi. Okay. Okay, the tongue body color. So we're talking about the tongue body color. Uh, will show us the underlying pattern of disharmony in a person's constitution, except in acute illnesses. So if you have a pale tongue body, we would usually think of kidney yang deficiency. Dark red tongue body is kidney yin deficiency. Okay. So if there is a strong contrast in color from the healthy pale red tongue body, okay, so that means there's a sudden change in color from a normal color, which is pale red, and then there's all of a sudden nag-iba yung kulay. There is an onset of a more serious illness involving internal organs. Okay? So for contradictory symptoms, for example, all signs of kidney yin deficiency, di ba kanina we have learned that if you have yin deficiency, you feel hot, no? But you're experiencing intense internal feeling of cold. So this is what we call false cold through heat, or of underlying kidney yang deficiency but experiencing hot flashes. So the tongue body color is a reliable indicator. So if you're confused as to diagnosis, all you have to do is look at the tongue body color. So the rule, normal tongue shape changes only when pathology persists over a long period of time. So it does not change overnight. Okay. So let's take a look at a tongue with a pale swollen tongue body. So this means that the qi has been deficient for quite a while. So the qi is not only failing to bring blood to the tongue, which resulted in the pale color, but it is failing to transform and transport fluids. That's why the tongue body is swollen. So if you have a red tongue with normal tongue body, this is the beginning of kidney yin deficiency or penetration of heat into the blood level. If you have a red tongue, then the body is small and contracted. That's kidney yin deficiency with severe loss of fluids. So this combination of color and shape indicates that yin has been exhausted over a long period of time. So from yin deficiency, that means walang coating yung tongue, it will develop heat. So that's what we call empty heat or heat resulting from yin deficiency. We all know that heat can injure the fluids, and when that happens, the tongue body will assume a contracted appearance. Di ba? Parang nangaluntoy. It will look shrunken. Okay? So the combination of tongue body color and shape will provide precise information about qi, blood, yin yang, and fluids. In chronic illness, you have to use results of this diagnostic procedure to assess severity of illness. In relation to 8 principles, the tongue body color and shape will reflect the state of yin and yang, the presence of heat and cold. Okay? So in yin deficiency, one experiences heat. So the tongue body is red, and in severe cases, the tongue body may even be contracted. So internal cold that develops with yang deficiency, you will have a very pale, swollen tongue body. So let's look at cracks, depressions, localized swellings of the tongue body. They actually reflect energetic disharmonies in specific organs. So if you see a tongue whose anterior third is swollen, this means there is retention of phlegm in the lungs. So I would like you to look at your tongue now. If the anterior third is swollen, then that means you have phlegm retention in the lungs. Okay? So it is now your responsibility how to get rid of the phlegm. If the patient complains of cough, huh, you have to give immediate attention. If there are no lung symptoms, it is of no special significance. Okay? So take a look at your tongue. Pag medyo makapal yung anterior third, a little bit swollen, tapos may cough, then you have to treat it. It is not advisable to differentiate pathology caused by ascending liver yang or liver fire based entirely on specific tongue sign, namely redness or red points on the side of the tongue. Accurate diagnosis is possible only by considering the pulse qualities in conjunction with symptoms. That's why we always wanted to study pulse diagnosis in tandem with tongue diagnosis. Both tongue signs can denote ascending liver yang as well as liver fire. Atopic eczema, example, does not always show up on the tongue. Diba, when you think of atopic eczema, there will always be, you would think it's red, the tongue is red. Patients with long-term skin disorders manifested in itchy skin, sensation of heat, redness of skin, you will be surprised that the tongue will present as pale or will not show signs at all of heat in the blood. So for diagnosis and treatment of skin disorders where most obvious signs are skin lesions, indicators on the tongue are of little, if any, importance and occasionally must be ignored. So for skin conditions, hindi po helpful ang tongue. Okay? Okay, so now let's go to our tongue for the day. This is the tongue of a 41-year-old female with the following symptoms. Fatigue, weight gain, bloating, no periods for 3 months, so amenorrhea, cold extremities, frequent sore throats. Okay, Western diagnosis, none. So this is the significant background to disease. The patient, who is 41 years old, has had 6 pregnancies. She was overworked at the office and at home, lack of sleep. Okay, so let's look at the tongue. So as you can see, the tongue is pale and swollen. So definitely this is spleen chi deficiency with blood deficiency and dampness. Okay, do you agree? Dampness because it's a little bit swollen, and then pale, no? Red spots at the sides and tip. Uh, these are retained, externally contracted heat. What we're trying to say here is, hindi na siya nakalabas, okay? And if you remember, we mentioned something like, if you have wind heat invasion or externally contracted heat, initially they would start at the front third, okay? And of course, the coating is normal. It's white thin. Uh, So there. So again, we have another case of spleen deficiency. Then you also have a diagnosis of blood deficiency and dampness. So we're done. Any comments? Anyone? Dr. Che, would you like to comment? Dr. Che.
Hello, Doc. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Dr. Che. Do you have any comments?
Um,
Do you think the tongue picture actually correlates with the symptoms? Okay, let's go back to the symptoms. Fatigue, no? Fatigue is actually a
yeah.
sign of, it's a classic sign of chi deficiency. Okay?
Mhm.
Weight gain. So pag weight gain, we would immediately think of spleen, right?
Yeah.
Bloating. Okay, this is very classic, bloatedness, no? No periods for 3 months. So this one will definitely give you an idea of blood deficiency. Walang bleed, walang menstruation. The extremities are cold. Wow, you look fabulous. Si Miss Palawan, hello. Frequent sore
Hi.
throats. May nakaka-relate ba dyan? Any comment? Huh?
So, the coating is yellowish dock. So, may dampness talaga siya.
Uh, hindi siya yellowish. Ito kasi, dito tayo
Or,
tumitingin. Oo. Huwag ka ma-confusion dyan. Kasi
mm.
dito tayo titingin. It's actually thin and white. If you
Okay.
notice yung mga pictures natin before, makapal siya na
Mm.
slippery. I don't see any slipperiness. It's very thin and white. No?
Yeah.
But the most obvious thing that you will observe here is the presence of these spots. So according to the author, sabi niya, these are actually uh, signs of heat na hindi na nakalabas. So that's why meron siyang frequent sore throats. Most likely, this started as wind heat invasion. Diba? Pag wind heat invasion, um, there is nothing wrong with the coating. It's thin and white. However, you will see some red spots. But as you can see here, umabot na siya hanggang sa likod. No?
Yes,
And
the posterior third.
and then I think the diagnosis of blood deficiency here stems from the fact na of course when you have Chi deficiency, there will also be blood deficiency. Do you agree? Yeah. And
Yes, doc.
may dampness. The dampness here, obviously, kasi
Yeah.
nag-gain siya ng weight, oh. Okay?
Mm.
And,
Sa screen ko kasi, doc, may yellowish siya eh, kaya akala ko yellow.
oo, wag ka
So, hindi siya
kasi
yellow.
normally, for everyone, no?
Mm.
If you look at this one, no? I think this is the lighting, no? It's really normal
Ah,
to have a thick white coating sa posterior third. Okay? Di ba napansin niyo? Yan. However,
mm.
wala naman siyang issue sa lower burner niya. Okay? There's bloatedness, so definitely we'll be focusing. Kung titingnan nyo mabuti yung tongue, it's a little bit, it's mataba sa center. Okay? It's mataba sa center.
Yeah, medyo, oo, nakaumbok na.
Okay, and number one sa symptom niya is fatigue. Fatigue, walang energy. So what is Qi deficiency? No energy. We cannot say it's heart Qi deficiency. We have no palpitations. No? Walang chest pain. Uh, and of course, meron tayong nakikitang bloating. No? Weight gain is very, very, it's very obvious. And so, no periods for 3 months. We all know that it's pag wala kasing dugo, walang chi, definitely this will affect the liver blood. So, hindi siya nagme-mens for 3 months. Okay? However, I think this is still too premature to warrant a diagnosis of PCOS, PCOS, no? Kaya I'm sure she was seen by a gynecologist, walang diagnosis. Okay? The mere fact that she had 6 pregnancies, so uh, PCOS is out of the question. Ang dami na niyang anak, 6 na pregnancies. Ikaw 4, no? 4 o 3?
Ani,
6, wow! Pero hindi
wow.
ka. Ano, nakaka-relate ka? Ako,
I
tiny.
Hindi
don't feel
halata.
being,
You're
ano,
not yet 41, you're only
Hindi
30.
halata.
yeah, I'm still 36.
Oh yeah, you're only 36, but you're getting there.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
experiencing perimenopausal,
Ay,
syndrome.
Ha?
grabe.
Ang aga
Aga mo
naman.
pa.
Yeah,
Ba't ako
yeah.
51? Wala pa.
Hindi ako irregular ang menstruation ko, pero
Hmm.
lately, minsan mga 2 months na yung menstruation ko
Hmm.
after the next one, which is not not normal for me. Kaya po na madaling mabuntis, di ba? Kasi napaka-regular ng menstruation ko. So, lately, yun
Hindi
nga,
ka na
siguro,
namubuntis.
Hmm. Ba't ako?
yeah.
Mag-pinchy
Sana
deficiency na
all.
yan. Take mo na.
Hindi kasi
Yes, please.
di ba magra-run ka for mayor?
Hoy,
Panalo
ayoko
naman
ma-stress.
si Mr. sa councilor. Ano ba yan
Siguro,
may election?
pang third term.
Okay. So anong diagnosis mo sa dila mo, Doc She?
Wait, let me check.
No, you don't have to
Yan.
show us. Sige,
Hmm.
tago ka
Ako,
muna.
kidney deficiency.
Oh. So you have been doing a lot of thinking, overwork, probably?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you feel hot
I'm,
all the time? Do you
yes,
feel
I
restless?
sweat most of the time.
Oo. Okay.
Ala, di may problema ka na sa kidney essence yan.
Pero 6 yung anak mo, di ba?
Yes.
6?
Yes.
6 pala. Akala ko 3 lang. Ang bilis naman.
Um,
You should see her picture when she was
So,
like in her 20s.
okay.
Para siyang
Sabihin, Doc, sa sobrang dami ng anak, hindi naman sa sobrang dami, sa dami ng anak niya, so medyo nagasgas yung kanyang kidney essence. Kaya mukhang maaga siyang
Yeah.
mag-menopause.
Very good. Yeah.
well, actually, when I was younger, nagsisweating na talaga yung hands and feet ko.
Oh,
So,
that's a spleen.
yeah.
Spleen kasi parehas
So,
extremities eh.
Oo.
yeah, both talaga.
At saka
So,
yung
spleen
overwork.
deficiency.
Overwork will definitely affect your health, no? Overwork,
Yes.
fatigue, minsan nakalimutan mo na kumain, irregular eating.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And medyo disturbed yung sleep ko lately.
Yeah.
Ayun, kasi yung chi mo kasi hindi umaakyat, kaya nahihirapan kang matulog.
Yeah.
Yes. May dampness ka ba?
Sure
Wala.
yan, Dok. Halata kasi bilog yung tiyan niya.
Huwag ka baka
ano
i-demand
lang.
pa.
Pale
Masyado
siya.
Ayun, fail. O, di may young deficiency, may deficiency.
May young deficiency din.
Ay, or
May young din.
young deficiency.
Okay.
May
You may
spleen
have
young deficiency.
Yeah. Ito, the patient doesn't feel cold. Iba kasi yung cold extremities lang. No? Oo. So,
Hindi po siya makakaramdam ng coldness kasi hindi naman po problema yung yang niya. Ang problema niya yung
yes.
chi ang problema niya, hindi yung yang. Yang is the energy kasi, yang is the energy and chi is the force. So, walang kinalaman sa warmth yung chi.
Yeah. So,
Yeah, correct ang baba.
it doesn't mean na malamig yung extremities na meron ka ng yang deficiency. You have to...
Siguro, Doc.
Hindi po, depende po kung sa gabi siya, for sure yan. Pagka sa araw, yang siya.
Oo.
Yang.
Okay. So,
Kasi Doc, meron akong patient kahapon, yung tongue niya swollen, pale, pero walang coldness yung hands and feet. So, magre-rely ka rin talaga doon sa symptoms niya. So, yung symptoms niya is nahihirapan siyang sa appetite niya. So, definitely that's spleen young deficiency. So, pero hindi cold yung extremities niya. So, siguro acute lang siguro yun, Doc. Pag medyo chronic, yan siguro nagmamanifest na yun sa mga extremities talaga na nagko-cold na rin siya.
Hindi. Sa tingin ko lang, Doc, walang kinalaman yung yang niya. Kasi hindi naman, sa tingin ko, chi
pa lang. Early pa lang siya.
Chi pa lang. Spleen chi deficiency lang pala, hindi spleen. Spleen chi deficiency lang.
At saka wala pa siyang diarrhea, yung mga LBM.
I think it's about the chi. At saka blood.
Yeah.
Yun.
Kaya yung mga yeah. No periods for 3 months. I think this is just temporary. 3 months pa lang siya, walang period. So this, dito makikita ninyo na pag may chi deficiency ka, meron ka rin blood deficiency. Okay.
Kasi wala pong transformation ng blood kasi sa spleen po yung may problema.
Yes. At saka, it's so obvious that the spleen is so compromised because if you take a look at this one, lack of sleep, overwork at the office, and then fatigue. Fatigue talaga number one. It's
Yeah.
very difficult.
Exciting naman to.
Yeah. So, for the benefit of those who are new, excited ka na ba, Sir Edison? Oo. Isasaba ka na namin sa mga dila. Okay, una-una, you need to make sure when you took the picture of the tongue, dapat natural light. If you have no pag magmadilim, try to acquire a halogen lamp, na halogen light. Okay? Not the usual light kasi it will look dark. It will look like mayroon kang purple na color. Okay? So here,
Parang may sample ba ako ng ano, Doc? Ah, yung excess na dila.
okay.
I don't know if you can see this. Pero
Sige daw. Ay,
maliit
ano?
siya.
Ano siya? Kung nakikita mo, rootless yung coating. That's
Yeah.
geographic coating. Geographic tongue. Okay?
Dok, ganito yung dila ko, Dok. Same.
Ganyan yung dila mo. Okay.
Ganyan ang dila mo, Trix?
Ay, parang
Oh,
hindi
sobrang
talaga.
talino niyan, Doc. Alam mo ba yung may-ari ng dila nito? Nagtatrabaho sa Department of Finance dyan sa Rojas Boulevard. Tapos hindi na halos natutulog.
How
As in,
old
super
siya?
payat siya.
How old siya?
Bata pa to. Nasa mga, ano
Late
na,
20s?
30, no, ano, mga 35? Basta kaidaran ko lang ito na babae.
Oh,
Babae.
yeah, I'm
Single,
sure ano yan, maraming responsibility. Actually, that's a sign of ano na siya no? Nakikita mo nawawala na yung coating niya.
Dok,
wala
ano po?
siyang responsibility, Doc. Siguro ano, innate sa kanya na workaholic lang. Kasi yung mother niya is retired. Both parents niya are retired government employees eh. So dalawa lang sila magkapatid. Stable na rin yung kapatid niya. Wala
Nasanay
actually
ka na.
silang binubuhay kasi yung kapatid niya is bakla. Tapos siya, wala din siyang asawa, walang boyfriend. So,
So,
talagang
Walang
baka
pressure.
workaholic. Walang pressure, pero tingnan mo yung dila niya, grabe.
Yeah.
Super.
Grabe yung dila
ano
niya.
yun,
No?
may young personality.
Is she
Masyadong
on
active.
medications?
I was gonna ask,
Wa-
parang ganyan yung tongue ng
wala
parang
siyang
nag-divide.
sinasabi sa akin, pero madalas talagang masakit yung buong katawan niya.
Oh, so I'm sure.
Yun
Oh,
ang complaint
anti-inflammatory
niya.
siya. You were saying something, Ma'am Trix?
Diba parang ganyan yung tongue ng nag-antibiotics or something.
Yeah.
Siguro yun nga,
Hindi, mas
according to what I am watching in Netflix, Doctor House,
Oh,
everybody lies. So,
you also like.
everybody lies. Yeah, I like him.
Yeah.
Best in
Oh, you should also
diagnostics.
watch, ay kaya lang The Pit
Yeah.
yung actor doon siya yung bata pa noon sa ER. Ay, yun siguro naabutan yung ER. I'm sorry. Ako pa na naabutan ko pa.
Parang mas realistic kasi siya, Doc, kaysa ibang
Ay, yeah, maganda yung
parang
Dr. House.
hospital-based.
House MD.
Mm.
Oo. Okay.
Inaabot ko yun.
So, doon ko rin kasi pinanood, Doc, yung mga between Chinese medicine and Western medicine.
Oo.
Sila meron corresponding mga illnesses din talaga na alam mo yun na hindi rin, although medical based siya, pero pag tinignan mo dyan sa Chinese medicine sa pinag-aralan natin, oo nga no, bakit siya nagkaroon ng psychosis? Bakit siya nagkaroon
Yeah.
ng mga ganitong, so may problema sa liver, pero may mga medical terms sila, but definitely connected siya sa mga organs na yun. Kasi sabi ko, okay, para medyo
Sense.
walang
Makes
bias
sense.
ba? 'Di ba?
So I'm sure yung patient mo, ma'am, doc siya is on medications.
Siguro pero hindi niya sinabi sa akin.
Kasi
Nahiya siguro siyang magsabi. Nung time na yun kasi parang matagal na yung ubo niya.
Ay, oo.
Siguro, hindi niya na lang nabanggit sa akin na nag-antibiotic siya.
Okay.
Pero sabi niya, yun nga, matagal na yung ubo niya. So
Yeah,
definitely baka
that was a good one.
nag-antibiotics talaga siya.
Na-observe ni Ma'am Trix, no? Oo, nakita niya talaga.
Yeah.
She's on antibiotics because the cough is tagal na.
Matagal na.
Does she smoke?
So, no.
Okay.
Wala siyang vices.
Okay.
Vice
Ganyan
lang
yung mga
siya.
friendship mo, mga celebrity. Celebrity din yan si Doc She. Kaya dapat mabait kayo dyan.
Hala, hindi naman.
Palawan. She will give you a 2 nights stay in Coron.
Uy,
Oh,
ang layo nun.
medicine.
Dito na lang sa resort namin sa Puerto.
Oh,
May ilog. O, di ba? Wantusawa ilog.
Puerto Galera.
Puerto Princesa.
Sorry. Puerto Princesa. Okay.
Yeah.
Sige, sana makapunta tayo.
Ganda.
Doon na lang natin gawin yung convention.
Oo. Why not?
Uy, let's ano ha. Sir Edison, thank you so much. I didn't know you were from Pagadian. I think you will be our chief person for Mindanao. No. You were not asking. I used to be from Zamboanga City, so I know that place very well. Okay. Ma'am Elvira, any comments? Ay, nawala bigla. Ang hina ng signal sa Bacolod, no? But anyway, so yun na lang. Nagchichikahan na lang tayo. We hope you enjoyed today's uh, discussion. I know that, you see, you can really see now na super hirap talaga ang dila. Especially if you're just alone. No? So we will never stop this. So even after natapos na natin yung auricular medicine, we will continue because I'm sure you will all document. Ay, we would like to welcome Ma'am Roxanne Cabreros. Hello, Madam. Ang payat mo na ngayon. Please, ay, nakamute ka. Oo. She is an LMT. She has a very big salon in Iligan. And I'm excited to see her in Marawi. Bakit wala kang ano, you're muted. She's a NADA auriculo detox specialist. Nako, Ma'am Roxanne, magtatampo ako niyan. I hear no voice from you.
Doc, pwede na tayo mag-tour di Mindanao. Meron na tayong mga
No, our goal is really to penetrate the entire Philippines, no? So, sana si Sir Edison, kanina pa nakangiti yan. The ngiti is so, I don't know, intimidating or so, parang ang daming nakatago na ano. But I'm sure he can
Doc,
deliver.
may nakausap na ako dito na gustong pero mas interested siya sa um, aesthetics, Doc, na
Ate,
acupuncture.
kaya mo na. Madali lang naman yun. Sige na, mag-usap tayo. Kaya mo na yun, my God. I don't have to go there. I will go there pala because of Puerto Princesa. But i-train mo na. Convince mo sila, not just a
Mag-ano
step.
tayo.
Ha? Mag-usap tayo.
Oo, kasi
Ah,
matagal na namin plano ni Doc Juliet yun. So, siguro, planuhin na lang natin. Kasi maraming may aesthetics
yeah.
clinic dito eh. So,
Yes. Sige, kaya mo na yan. Ay, hello, Ma'am Gizami. Ay, hello po. Good evening, Ma'am Gizami. Ang ganda naman ng pangalan ni Ma'am Gizami. Bisaya kaya ito?
Actually, si Ma'am Gisami po, Dok. Bali, kaklase ko sa TESDA dati. Kaya in-invite ko sa,
Pagadian din siya, sir.
yes, yes po. Lagyan ko si
Wow. Sir
Gisami.
Gizami, thank you for coming. I hope you can invite all of Pagadian. I'm really, really excited to go there. No. Kasi excited din ako makasakay ng pedicab nyo na nakatingala sa langit. Oo, you want that experience? Oo, hindi pala sumasakay ng mga tricycle tong mga ano to. Anyway, Bisaya ni si Ma'am Gizami. Hello, Ma'am Gizami.
Hello, hello.
Ay, wow.
Hello po.
Parang siyang imported, ah. Oo. Hopefully, Ma'am Gizami, you can invite more people, ah. Oo. Okay, because we would like to invite you again. We're going to have the last, ang bilis, no? The last diagnostics for the CAA. You are all welcome. It's pulse diagnosis. Okay?
Ay, Doc. Narinig niyo na ako.
Welcome, Roxanne.
Sorry. I welcome po sa lahat. So, I'm actually from Iligan. I've been with LAMP since pandemic days. Yung nagsistart
Yeah.
pa talaga yung LAMP. So, ako yung isa sa mga online lecturer ni Doc. So,
Live yun,
no,
ah. Live.
yes, live po. So, mga 2 years tayo, Doc, no? 1 year, 2 years yata yun.
Oo, tapos na
Oh,
busy ka, nagtayo ka ng posture salon.
yes.
Kinalimutan
So,
mo na kami. Pero kami kaya na namin ito. Yeah.
hindi, Doc, busy lang kayo kasi nag-asenso na yung LAMP. Ako yung
Ay,
naiwan.
hindi naman. Wala naman. Kasi dapat ipa-asenso natin. Kaya nga, I need your help for Iligan.
Yes, Doc.
We can top Marawi actually, no?
Yeah,
And
Marawi.
how
And
far is
Pagadian is malapit din lang
Oo,
naman. 4
malapit
hours.
na from Iligan. It's easy to get to Pagadian.
Yes.
Isabay natin, Ma'am Roxanne. Magaling
Sige
ka naman
po.
eh. Oo,
Magaling lang po
iwanan na
akong
lang kita. Let's just form the group there. Ha? Ang galing nito
So,
ni Ma'am Roxanne, as in. And you know, when she
patulog.
the ear, there's no pain at all. Kaya
At,
nakaka-secure. Kasi yung iba, bakit si Ma'am Roxanne walang pain? Ano yun? Parang walang needle. She has a very peculiar technique. Okay? So
yeah,
it's
I'm actually an energy healer right now. I'm a Reiki master teacher. So
yeah,
those who are interested sa Reiki healing, it's actually a very complementary siya sa especially for acupuncturists and massage therapists. So, ayan. So, that would help na calm the person or especially I am a NADA practitioner kasi ako sa Acu-Detox
yeah,
practitioner.
detox. Oo.
So, when I experience ko lang, Doc, when I started LAMP, talagang ayaw ko magtusok. Pero ang ginawa ko talaga at that time na pandemic talaga lockdown. So, tinusok ko muna yung sarili ko. So,
Okay.
ngayon na-addict na ako ng tusok. So, yeah, kuan. I have, okay lang, Doc, I have to share something lang
Sure, no problem. Go ahead, please.
regarding being an acupuncturist. Kahit lang,
Yeah.
still a student, always a student. I went to last year, nasa Davao kami, we went into a convention kasi it's a convention siya because I'm part of sa
Mm,
mga Mason, ganyan.
mm,
So, what happened is, during our event, someone lost consciousness. So, as in,
Oo.
nawalan talaga siya ng malay.
Mm,
Tapos, the one accommodating that patient or that patient was ang isang nurse, marami silang nurse, actually lahat sila po nurse, may
Oh,
doktor, pero ako lang po ang nakabalik ng consciousness ng client
wow,
in
amazing.
seconds. So, akalain mo sila lahat nakatapok basta nandun na sila, hinubad na yung barong, ganyan-ganyan. Hindi pa rin, kasi pag doktor, check lang yung, di ba? Check lang
Oh,
yung pulse, check lang yung, hinihintay nila. Ironically, nasa Davao kami,
okay.
dapat mabilis yung response ng rescue team.
Oo.
Wala po. Walang ang tagal. So, in pagbagsak, may sumigaw, without any hesitation,
Mm,
as in diretso ako, ang una kong nakita is, because I read auras, I read colors of the face, nakita ko talaga gray na yung muka ng client in seconds. Gray na siya, as in lost consciousness. Tapos ang ginawa ko, alam niyo ba yung acupuncture emergency point? Kung
yeah.
alam niyo lang.
Oo.
So, so, ginawa ko yung acupuncture emergency point natin dito. I waited for the client to
Mhm.
to revive it, kuan. As in talagang bumalik siya sa consciousness. Yung
Mhm.
unang signs is umiyak siya kasi napakasakit po dito. So
Okay.
after that, conscious na siya. Tapos ironically, Doc, yung isang chapter pala, they sa uh, Kidapawan, meron palang acupuncture center doon.
Yeah.
So, hindi nakakaalam. So, they're actually all acupuncturists. Ako lang po yung unang naka-respond. And they follow it up with LI4, so Hego Point. So, yun lang. Yun lang yung ginawa nila. Pero ako lang po yung nakakuan. And then,
Wow.
after that, as in, okay na. And we met, yung patient na yun, we met last, yung nasa Dumaguete ako last year. Then, and I
Hindi ka
found out that,
nagparamdam?
ano po?
Hindi ka nagparamdam na sa Dumaguete ka?
Ngayon nga, nakalimutan ko do. So anyway, mabilis din yun na event eh.
Okay.
Only to find out, ito yung very careful po kayo. If you are normal sa, kasi siya, yung nahimatay po, normal po yung kuan niya, blood pressure niya. Pero yung wife niya, may maintenance.
Okay.
Siya, iba yung sakit niya. Ang nangyari pala, Doc, nainom niya yung gamot ng wife niya.
Ay,
Kaya
wow.
bumagsak yung blood pressure niya, yung kuan niya, blood pressure niya agad, as in tawag ito, in minutes, ganon. So, kaya kuan, di ba, doon ko na naakuan na, grabe pala no, hindi pala sayang yung, kahit hindi ako makabalik sa lab. But, yung knowledge na nakuha ko, continuous kasi ako nagsa-study din sa sarili ko. Kaya ngayon, kuan talaga, heaven sent na nag-usap kami ulit kahapon ni Doc. Ay, kahapon ba yun? Kanina? Nakalimutan ko. So, anyway, so yun. So, sabi ko, ay, gusto na akong bumalik. So, sa mga bago at saka yung, nag-graduate na po yung ibang mga batchmate ko. So, okay lang po kasi hindi po
Okay
tayo
na, madali ka naman maano eh.
hindi po tayo, ang acupuncture po or TCM, hindi po siya minamadali. Dapat gawin mo talaga siyang lifestyle mo din. Kasi marami po akong natutunan sa LAMP. Kahit na gusto kong mag-aral sa iba, pero bumabalik talaga ako sa LAMP kasi ito lang talaga yung binibigyan ka ng time na talagang i-develop mo yung sarili mo. Tapos nakita ko din yung difference na very very consistent sila na magbigay ng thorough talaga ng mga lessons. Okay? Yung hindi ka poproblemahin kung ano ba yan, ganyan. Assessment wise, maganda yung dito. So kung tawag dito, kahit na graduate na ako sa NADA, graduate na ako sa ibang kuan ko, hindi pa rin itutumbas ko yung knowledge, pasalamat sa LAMP. Lalo na si Doc Heck, binigyan talaga ako ng chance na kahit hindi pa kami nagkita ever since.
Hindi pa. Pupuntahan na kita, kaya dapat matuloy ang pagadian. Dadaan mo na ako ng studio. Maybe Lagunian Airport. Sige.
Yeah, papunta
hindi
tayo.
yan madakot si Doc Hector, pati yung NADA protocol tinuro na sa amin.
Ay, hindi naman, di ko naman tinuro.
Tinuro mo yun.
Tinuro ko ba?
Actually, maganda talaga pag kuan ka din, parang may knowledge ka sa iba-ibang klaseng specialization sa acupuncture. So I do ear acu-detox, I also self-study din ako ng scalp acupuncture. So nandito pa yung libro ko.
Okay.
Tapos so you will never stop sa acupuncture kasi marami kang pwedeng specialization. Yan lang talaga yung mabibigay ko na di ko alam, baka mas magaling kayo sa akin. Hindi po yan sa hindi po yan sa ganyan ha. Kasi iba-iba po yung ating lugar. Hindi po tayo, walang competition po, especially sa pagiging health practitioner. Mga doktor lang po yung mga competition. Pag acupuncture, wala. Wala talaga. As in, the same playing field lang talaga dito. Yan lang yung masasabi ko sa lab. So, thank you, Doc.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Madam Roxanne. Thank you so much. Okay, wag ka na aalis ulit na. Nakatali ka na.
Oo nga, Doc. Makatali na ako. Baka, actually, Doc, nandun ako last, actually, very busy ako last year. Bakit kaya, no? Ay, last year,
I was
2023
probably
na,
in Manila then when you were here.
yeah, nasa Manila ako 2023. Palagi ako nagme-message kay Sir Abet. Di lang talaga siya nag-respond. Kaya, nakaalis na ako ng Manila, di pa tayo nagkita. Sige, Doc. Okay lang. This time, kita na tayo.
So ngayon, kulitin mo na siya. Okay.
Yes po.
You're
Thank
very
you po.
welcome. You're welcome anytime. And let's work together po. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in Iligan with your team. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. So wala na tayo. Tapos na tayo. Thank you everyone. Welcome sa mga bagong muka. Kabalo ko magbisaya, Ma'am Gizami. Don't worry. Pati ka na si Ma'am Roxanne. Kabalo ko na magbisaya. So let's form a team in Pagadian. And hopefully, Oroquieta, Ozamis, basta dyan. Okay. Maraming salamat po, everyone. See you again tomorrow.
Thank you, Doc.
Maraming salamat. Good evening, everyone. Thank you. Bye.
Doc. Magandang gabi.
Maraming salamat. Bye po.